let's make an eggplant or brinjal curry. It's not just a curry, it have a unique speciality with a combination of flavors. We have whole garlic, whole shallots infused with flavors. So don't waste time, let's go into the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 3 to 4 guests. Onto a pot, 3/4 cup of oil. When oil is hot, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 2 pieces of dry red chilies. Let the mustard cracks. Fine chopped onions, 1 large one. Saute on a medium heat till onions are soft. Add few curry leaves, 15 pieces of shallots, 15 pieces of whole garlic. Make sure if you put whole garlic and whole shallots. Saute for 3 minutes. 1 chopped tomatoes. Saute for 5 minutes. As soon as the tomato starts melting, add 2 teaspoons of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of sambar powder, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Cook for 2 minutes. When the spices are cooked, add 1 cup of water. Give a quick mix and cook for 5 minutes. When you can see oil on the top, add the tamarind water. So 30 grams of tamarind soaked in 1 cup of water. Give a quick mix, add another 1 cup of water. Let's start simmering. Add 200 grams of diced eggplant. Give a quick mix, cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Make sure you stir in between. Check the salt. If needed, add more salt. Combine well. Turn off the flame. Add 1.5 cup of chopped spinach. It's completely optional. If you want to add, you can add. If not also, this brinjal curry tastes so good. Really good. It will go nicely with chapatis, rotis, even with rice. So bye, but don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you